This video is about multiplying by 11, where you actually add the digits. In adding digits, you go from right to left, and then you start with the rightmost digit. So example, 876 times 11, you start with a 6, you write it down, then that's your focal point, and then next round you have your focal pair, which is a 7, 6, that adds up to 13, write down the 3, carry the 1. So far our answer is 36, but don't forget to carry the 1. And the next focal pair is 8 and the 7, which that is 15, plus the carried over 1, which is 16. Then we write down our 6, and so far our answer is 636 with the 1 to carry over. And our focal pair is now our focal digit on the left side. So then it's 8 plus the carried over 1, which is 9. So you write down the 9. So our answer is 9,636. And so 876 times 11 is 9,636. Moving on to the next example. 2,145 times 11. So we go from right to left, which focuses on our rightmost digit, which is a 5. So you write that down. And then next round we have a focal pair, which is the 4 and the 5. So add that 2 together, and that is a 9. So write down 9 and the 5. Then our focal pair moves over to the left one spot, and so it's the 1 and the 4, and so that's 5. Add it together, so it's 595 so far for our answer. Then our focal pair moves over to the 2 and the 1. Add that 2 together, and so it's a 3. So 3595 is so far our answer. And then move it over one spot, and so it's at the leftmost digit, so 2, and nothing to carry over. So it's 23595. So our answer, 2,145 times 11, is 23,595. Our next example, 15,907 times 11. So start at the right, 7, write it down. Then our next round becomes our first focal pair, which is a 0 and a 7. Add those 2 together, and it's a 7. So far it's 77. Move the focal pair over one more to the left. So it's a 9 and a 0. Add those 2 together, it's a 9. So far our answer is 977. Move the focal pair over one spot to the left, to the 5 and the 9. So it's 14. But we write down the 4, and then carry the 1. So far the answer is 4977. Move over the focal pair one spot to the left, so it's 1 and the 5. Those 2 added together is 6, plus the carried over 1, which is 7. And our answer so far is 74977. Move over our focal pair is now our focal digit at the left side. It's a 1, so write down the 1. And so it's 174977. And our answer is 174,977. The next example, 999 times 11. Start at the right, so write down the 9 on the rightmost 9, and our focal pair moves over, our focal focus moves over to the pair. So it's a 9 and a 9. Add those 2 together, it's 18. So far it's 89 for our answer, but don't forget to carry the 1. So move over the focal pair to the other 9 and 9. And so it's 18 plus the carried over 1, which is 19. Write down the 9, carry over the 1. And so now our focus goes to the leftmost digit. And so it's a 9 plus the carried over 1, which is a 10. Write down the 0, carry over the 1 to the next round. And we have no more on the focus point. And so write down the 1. So our answer is 10,989. So 999 times 11 is equal to 10,989.